Alright, let's do this. So we're gonna water pulse so it kills into you. Because it's solid rock pastio berry, we water type is gonna kill. Stone edge crit means we're dead. Okay, thank you. Fake anti Giga Drain to you. So there's a chance you could be Brick Break. So you're very bad, so I get decision to you. Yep. And pretty much does Rock Slide kill you? Rock Slide. Rock Slide can. Okay, come on, don't flinch. Thank you. I need to do some chip. And now I'm gonna counter. I'm going to Aqua Jet to kill. Into Executor. Should be Ekron. That's fine. We're going to detect. And now Signal Beam. Signal Beam again. Spirit Tomb. Should be Shadow Ball. Oh no. Nice. Okay, I really thought that would have killed. Okay, yeah, GG's. It's that easy, dude. Get an easy waterfall crit, and yeah, you win.